Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the assignment. This x minus root 5 is a factor of this polynomial and you have to find the all zeros of this polynomial. As it is a cubic polynomial, so it will have maximum 3 zeros, at most 3 zeros, not more than 3. It can be less than 3, two of them can be same, but it will not have more than 3 zeros at a time. So 1 0 is given, x minus root 5 is a factor of this polynomial and the 0 is root 5. If you equate this equal to 0, the value of x is root 5, that is the 0 of this polynomial. And if you combine it with x, this is the factor which is given in the question. And you have to find the remaining 2 zeros that you will get by dividing this polynomial. And we don't have any other way, you have to divide it. And one more way is there, that is by trial method, but I will suggest you always not to go for that method, that will waste your time. You please divide directly and that will give you correct answer. So you will divide this polynomial by x minus root 5. By which number should x be multiplied to get x cubed? That is x squared. In the notebook, when I have checked the notebook and in the test also, few students have just written the answer, they haven't written the question. So I have crossed out the question. So it will be multiplied with x square. This is x cube. Change sign and don't change the sign here. Try to change the sign at the bottom of the two numbers. Multiply root 5 with this. This will give you minus root 5 x square. Both are like terms. This is plus, this is minus, cancel out. Minus में आ रहा है, change sign, plus minus minus. When you subtract them, this is 1 root 5, this is 3 root 5. When you subtract them, 3 minus 1 is 2 root 5. X square sign will be of the greatest, that is minus. Minus 5x same, plus 15 root 5 is same. Now multiply x with the number to get this as answer. So we want minus 2 root 5x. Minus 2 root 5x you will take and multiply this, you will get minus 2 root 5 x square. Multiply the second term, minus minus is your plus, root 5 into 2 root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10. You will get 10x here. Change sign here. This is plus, this is minus, cancel out. Minus minus is your plus, sign will be of the greatest. Next, last constant term will be written same. X will be multiplied by which number to get minus 15x as answer. So we want minus 15. So when you multiply, this will give you same minus 15x. Change sign. Next number, minus minus is your plus. Sorry, this is 5. 15 root 5. Change sign, they will cancel out. So your remainder is 0. Why we are getting the remainder as 0? Because we already knew that this number is a factor. And whenever you divide the polynomial with the factor, that remainder will come as 0. And if it is not 0, after solving, if you are getting that you are not getting 0 as remainder, that means you must have made some mistake. You have to check it carefully. So, other zeros of polynomial are given by x square minus 2 root 5x minus 15. Now make the factors by middle term splitting. Whenever root is there, so you have to be very careful while making the factors. Now we want two factors in such a way that on addition or subtraction, it will give you minus 2 root 5 and on multiplication, it will give you minus 15. So can I write 15 as 5 3s are 15. But how you will make this as answer? How you will make this as answer? If I break it up like 3 root 5 and root 5, if I write 2 root 5 as 3 root 5 and root 5, 3 root 5 में से अगर आप 1 root 5 को minus करते हो, this will give you 2 root 5 as answer. And root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 3s are 15. How I come to know this? Actually, I want the factor as 3 5s are 15. So I have split 5 into root 5 form. So the factors become 3 root 5 and 3 root 5 and root 5. This is of subtraction sign, this is of addition, minus 15 is same. One thing is missing, I haven't written x with it, it's compulsory to write. Take common, so from this we are getting x common. From these two last number you will take root 5 common. So after taking root 5 common, you are left with x minus. This number will come here. And after writing this, you can check it. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay. And if you don't know how to take the common, one more method is there. आपने 15 में से root 5 बाहर ले लिया, तो आप 15 को root 5 से डिवाइड कर दो. 15 के फैक्टर क्या हैं? root 5 into 3 अपॉन root 5. इसको कैंसिल कर दो. क्या आ गया? 3 root 5. तो जो आंसर आएगा that you will write in the bracket. ठीक है? If you have made the correct factors, that means then you will be able to take the common correctly. Otherwise, you must have made some mistake. अगर factors correct है, एक bracket correct है, तो second bracket भी same आएगी. And if you are not getting the same numbers in the bracket, that means your factors are wrong. So your next factor is x plus root 5. These are the two factors. So zeros are 3 root 5 minus root 5 and 1 0 is given, that is root 4. So total 3 zeros are given. 1 was given, that is root 5. From here I have got minus root 5 and from here this is 3 root 5. Question number 8 is polynomial is in x, that is kx square plus 4x plus 4, and this relation alpha square plus beta square is 24. What is alpha beta here? That are the zeros of the polynomial. And you know that the polynomial is in k, so you can't factorize it. Is it so? Will you be able to factorize it when k is given? You can factorize the terms only if the polynomial is given in the standard form with the real numbers. But here k is unknown variable is there, so you can't factorize it. So you have only one way to proceed with the sum and the product because factors are not possible. So what you will do, you will solve the given second relation. Can I write this relation as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta? Can I write it like this? A square plus b square का कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं होता, इसका ये फॉर्मूला होता है. एक्चुअली देखो इसमें अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करते हो अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा और ये माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा है, both will cancel out and these two things are same. This shows that कि अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करके कैंसिल भी कर देते हो तो इसको सॉल्व करके पूरे को यही चीज दोबारा आ जाती है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर को लिख सकते हो अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा. Is it okay? Now, what is alpha plus beta here? That is sum of zeros. So what you will do is, firstly, you will find the sum of 0, that is minus b by a, that is minus 4 by k. And the product of 0, that is c by a, this is 4 by k. Now, what you will do, you will put these values in this given relation and you will get the value of the missing variable. The sum of these alpha plus beta is minus 4 by k whole square minus twice of alpha beta, that is 4 by k, is equal to 24. Is it okay? This is, I have written the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta here, and this right hand side 24 I have written same. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now make the square of this. Minus the square plus 4 square is 16 by k square. This is your 8 by k is equal to 24. Take LCM. When you take LCM, LCM is k square. 16 minus 8k is equal to 24. 16 minus 8k is 24k square. And when you will write in the standard form, 24k square plus 8k minus 16 is the equation. And still 8 is common there. So take 8 common. You are left with 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. And the equation becomes 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Now, how you will factorize this? By middle term splitting method, you will multiply 3 2s are 6, 3k and 2k minus 2 equal to 0. We want plus k. So it will be plus, it will be minus. You can check it. Is it correct? On addition, this is giving you plus k, and on multiplication, this gives you minus 6. That's what we want. 3 2s are 6 with minus sign. So take 3k common, k plus 1, take minus 2 common, k plus 1. So 3k minus 2, k plus 1, and z. These are the factors. Either 3k minus 2 equal to 0, k is equal to 2 by 3, or k plus 1 equal to 0, k is equal to minus 1. So we have got two values. One will be possible at a time. So we have k is equal to 2 by 3 or minus 1. Two answers are there. Ninth question is, polynomial is given, which is again in terms of k. So you will not factorize it because it's not possible. You will use this relation. As we have discussed in the 8th question, alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the value of this alpha square plus beta square. This plus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta will remain same. Is it okay? Any doubt? Now, these two terms are same. They are like terms. Solve them. Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta. After solving this, plus minus minus, sign will be greatest. That is. Now, write the sum of zeros. That is minus b by a, minus 5 by 2. So, sum of zeros is minus b by a, that is minus 5 by 2. Product of 0 is c by a, that is k by 2. So, put these values in this relation and solve it to get the missing variable. Put alpha plus beta and alpha beta in 1. Alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 2 whole square. Alpha beta is k by 2 equal to 21 by 4. Is it okay? So I have just substituted these values in this first equation. Minus square is plus 25 by 4. K by 2 is equal to 21 by 4. Take LCM. This is 25 minus 2k is equal to 21 by 4. 4 will cancel out. We are left with 25 minus 2k is equal to 21. 2k is equal to 4. K is equal to 2. So here we are getting only one value of k. Question number 10 is, find the value of a and b such that this polynomial is divisible by x square plus 1. What does it mean? मैंने आपको ये बताया था कि जब दो वेरिएबल होते हैं तो डबल इक्वेशन फॉर्म होती है, बट यहाँ पे एक ही कंडीशन है तो एक इक्वेशन फॉर्म होगी, बट it is given that this polynomial is divisible by x square plus 1. What does it mean? That this x square plus 1 will completely divide this. That means remainder must be 0. And if you are not getting 0, you will equate equal to 0 and you will get the value of a and b. Okay, so let's start with the division. X square will be multiplied with x square to get x raised to power 4. Second term, 1 into x square is x square. So like term will be written under the like term. So x cube is same. This is plus 7x square plus minus sign will be of the greater. Minus ax and b will be same. Now x square will be multiplied with x to get x cube. Sign change cancel. Second term is your x. Sign change. Now this is 7x square. माइनस माइनस इज योर प्लस. यहाँ क्या है 1, नथिंग इज गिवन तो 1 आएगा यहाँ. ये क्या बन जाएगा प्लस. यू विल राइट हियर. मैंने आपको बताया था बाहर हमेशा प्लस लिखना है तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी आपको. माइनस माइनस प्लस कर रहे हैं. माइनस ए माइनस 1 एक्स कॉमन. इज इट ओके? I have written subtraction here, so I have changed plus. Now, this is 7x square plus minus minus. You will write here plus a minus 1 x minus b से. आपने a में से 1 को माइनस करना है तो I have written plus a के साथ कोई साइन नहीं है minus 1 and outside the bracket you will always put plus to avoid confusion. Now degree of both are same, so still division will be there. X square will be multiplied with 7 to get 7x square. Sign change cancel. Second term is plus 7. Now this term will be same. Sign change माइन, यहाँ पे बाहर प्लस आएगा, बाहर प्लस आएगा, माइनस b minus 7. Now, the degree of this remainder is less than the divisor, so division stops here. Now, it is given that x square plus 1 divides it completely, so that means remainder must be 0. What you will do? A minus 1x plus minus b minus 7 equal to 0. So, compare. यहाँ पे बेटा कुछ भी नहीं है, इसका मतलब x के कोफिशिएंट को भी 0 के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे और कांस्टेंट को भी 0 के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे. तो b is minus 7. So value of a is 1 and value of b is minus 7. In 13th question, you have given that this term is a factor of this term. Find the value of k as well as you have to find all the zeros of this. You can find the zeros of this only when the value of k is given. But it is not given, so firstly you will find the value of k. You can't factorize it because k is unknown. You can't split it out. You can't use middle term splitting method. So the only one method is there, divide it. So it will be multiplied with 2x square. It will be 2x raised to power 4 minus cancel. 2 2s are 4 x cube plus sign change. Third term 2kx square plus 2kx square. Sign change.
मैंने किया 11th और 12th के तीनों पार्ट किए हैं मैंने.
ओके गुड. प्लस माइनस माइनस, यहाँ पे 1 है आपके पास, यहाँ 4 है. आंसर इज माइनस 3x क्यूब. माइनस माइनस प्लस, साइन बाहर यहाँ पे k है, ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा, बाहर प्लस आएगा, -14 माइनस 2k एक्स स्क्वायर, 5x सेम 6 सेम. X square will be multiplied with which term to get minus 3x cube? Minus 3x. Sign change cancel. Second term, 3 2s are 6 minus 6x square. Third term is minus 3kx. Sign change. Now, sign change plus plus plus, we are adding them. So, we will add them in the rough because two same terms are there. Minus 14 minus 2k plus 6. क्या आ जाएगा? माइनस 8 माइनस 2k. माइनस 8 माइनस 2k एक्स स्क्वेयर. ये प्लस हो जाएंगे. 5 प्लस 3k x plus 6. Is it okay? Any problem? Now x square will be multiplied with the same term to get the exact, see, minus 8 minus 2k. When you multiply this, minus 8 minus 2k x square, sign change cancel. Second term, when you multiply them, this will give you, you will write here plus, outside you have plus, minus 16 minus 4k x. Third term is k times minus 8 minus 2k. Now please check it out. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Now change the sign. अब इसको solve करना है. I will write on the rough. क्या term आएगी? 5 plus 3k plus 16 plus 4k. 21 plus 7k. Answer is 21 plus 7k x. Sign change 6. यहाँ पे बड़े ध्यान से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देखो इधर, ये क्या बन जाएगा? माइनस माइनस प्लस 8k माइनस माइनस प्लस 2k स्क्वायर, और बाहर क्या है? 6 के साथ प्लस हो रहा है. ये माइनस कर दिया ना, माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस. अब ये क्या आ गया आपके पास? क्वाड्रेटिक आ गई k में. इसको ऐसे ही लिख लेंगे. नाउ दिस इज अ फैक्टर्स and the degree of this is less than the divisor, so division stop here. So you will write here remaining factors will be given by the this. Firstly you will find k. What you will do is, as x square plus 2x plus k is a factor of polynomial, remainder must be 0. मतलब this term must be equal to 0. What you will do? You will solve it with 0. So you will compare the like terms. Compare the like terms. 21 plus 7k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 3. And here also you will solve this. Two you can take out. Is it possible to solve this? फैक्टर्स नहीं हो रहे बेटा इसके. फैक्टर्स नहीं हो रहे इसके. आंसर इज दिस. ये सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा. Can't factorize. So value of k is -2.